Hi! In this video, we will learn how to form regular and irregular past tense verbs. A verb tells action or state of being. To form the past tense, you usually add ed to a present tense verb. Look at this paragraph. Last month, my family go on an evening trip to a nature preserve. We hear owls hooting. We see frogs jumping. We smell a skunk in the distance. Ugh! We decide to stay far away. Did you notice a problem? The phrase last month shows that the action happened in the past, but the verbs are in the present tense. Look at the verb smell. It is a regular verb and doesn't end in e. This means you add ed to make the past tense form. The past tense form is smell, smelled. Now, look at the verb decide. The present tense verb decide ends with the letter e. For a verb ending in e, you usually add only the letter d to form the past tense. The past tense is d, e, c, I, d, e, d. Decided. The remaining verbs here are irregular verbs. They don't follow the rule of adding ed or d. Their past tense forms have to be learned. The past tense of go is went. The past tense of hear is heard. The past tense of see is saw. And that's how you form regular and irregular past tense verbs. See you next time.